In this video, we'll show you how to configure a rack gateway for LoRaWAN to automatically connect to the Things Network EU1 cluster in packet forwarder mode, simplifying the deployment process. Let's get started. Step 1. Register the gateway on TTN. First, you must register the gateway on the TTN platform. You need to enter the gateway EUI, gateway ID, and select the frequency plan. After confirming that all information is correct, click Register Gateway to complete the registration. Step 2. Configure the gateway to connect to TTN. Next, configure the gateway through its web UI. Set the work mode to Packet Forwarder. Select the frequency plan to match the one chosen during gateway registration. Check whether the server address has been automatically set to eu1.cloud.thethings.network. Once everything is correct, click Save Changes to apply the configuration. Step 3. Verify the gateway connection status. Finally, go back to the TTN console to verify whether the gateway is online. On the Gateway Details page, check for the following indicators. If the gateway is online and message counters are updating, Auto Connect has been successfully enabled. Let's quickly review what you have completed. Registered the rack gateway on TTN. Configured packet forwarder mode and saved settings. Verified the gateway's online status on TTN. The Auto Connect feature greatly simplifies the deployment process. Stay tuned for our next tutorial, How to Enable Data Recovery. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to RAKwireless for more WisGate OS 2 tutorials.